Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. This video here I'll be showing you on how to install a graphics card. This graphics card here that I have is EVGA GT730. This graphics card has a VGA output, HDMI output, and a DVI output. This graphics card here does not need to have a 6-pin connector or 8-pin connector, so it doesn't need any power from your power supply. So this is a low profile graphics card, meaning that this graphics card does not need any power coming from directly off the power supply. This graphics card will draw the power from your motherboard. So if your power supply is on a low voltage, a smaller power supply, you cannot get a big graphics card, the one that needs to have the 6-pin on it. So in this desktop here, I'll be doing the installation would be the HP Pavilion desktop TP01-1050. So this HP desktop here, the power supply is on a low voltage, meaning that it's not a big and strong powerful power supply. So therefore I need to buy a graphics card that is not required to have a 6-pin or any power from the power supply. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is to turn the computer on the other side. So this is the side panel. The side panel here at the back, you're gonna see one black screw, and you can use a Torx screwdriver or a flathead. Go ahead and loose the screw up and slide the panel to your left. So once the panel is slide open, as you can see, this is your desktop. The first thing you need to do is to remove the back, the black panel here on the side. There's only one screw that is holding that. Go ahead and remove the screw and lift up the panel. Now when the panel is removed, all you can see, this is your HP power supply, and this HP power supply does not have extra pin connector to power up the graphics card. So this is the low profile that we'll be using on this purpose. So the next step, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open up this back panel here. So lift it up. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to open up this one here. So the way HP make this, it is not removable, but to break it. So for you to install the graphics card, you actually need to break this slot. So let me go ahead and break it first. So all I need to do is to use be very careful. This metal here is very sharp. So I'm just using my screwdriver, push it in and wiggle until the thing breaks. Alright, so the way it even show you that you need to have a screwdriver to kind of pry it open. So the way it works is once you wiggle enough, the metal will just break apart, and this is how you remove that panel here. Now once the panel is removed, now you can install the graphics card. So once you have the graphics card aligned in the right position, and once you have it aligned in the right position, go ahead and press it down, and that's how you secure the graphics card. Okay, at this moment you can go ahead and use the panel to clip it in to secure your graphics. Alright, so there you should have it. This is how you install your graphics card. Now you still want to put the panel back on. So this is your panel on the side. So go ahead and align the 3 metal here with the base of it, and then you will just slide it back down to it. Go ahead and put the screws back on. Alright, once you have the screws back on, what you want to do next is to put the panel back on. Slide the panel back to your right, and then put the screws in. Okay, now you have it. So instead of connecting your graphics, instead of connecting your monitor cable from this top HDMI or the VGA, now what you want to do is you want to connect your graphics, your monitor cable to the DVI, VGA, or the HDMI or the VGA slot here. I need to come back and readjust my graphics card. It doesn't seem to be sitting properly. I can always come back and readjust this part. So in this process here, you're not done. You still need to go in to the Windows and install your graphics card driver, and maybe go to the website and download the right specific driver and make sure it's all up to date. Then you can use the graphics card at its full performance. I hope this video helps. If you like, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you. Until next time.